Good morning, class.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, today we shall be going through the logarithm we started last week. Are we there? Are we following? Are we there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so today we will now start it comprehensively. Are you following now?
Yes, sir.
The last class we discussed on this same topic, logarithm. We just tried to see how we can combine two numbers together in logarithm, right? So today we shall be looking comprehensively. Are we following now?
Yeah.
Let's now pick the first question. We have 0.00. Please be writing. That will be fast. 15 times 44.89 all over 15.58 times 0.78. Let's work with this first. Let's work with this. Raise forward. Okay, this is the first we'll be looking at. Are we there? Are we there?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now, as I've told you in the last class, we discussed on how to calculate the what, how to determine the characteristics, right?
Yes.
Right? And by God's grace, I know that we all now know how to calculate the characteristics. Are we there now?
Yes.
So in this case now, we will just go straight and see how this particular problem can be solved. Are we together?
Yes, sir.
Are we together?
Yes.
Beautiful. And I know that yes, to this class will be awesome. Okay, let's go. Okay. Now the first thing you do here is you draw up the table. Are we together?
Yes.
Okay. You bring out the lines. The first line for the number. Okay. You bring out the second line for the for the log. You following? You want the third line for the anti-log. Are we there now?
Log.
Anti-log. But I will advise you in this kind of problem, I will advise you create 4 lines. Okay? Let log have 2 space. Are we there now? The same log. Log multiplied. I'm coming. Okay. No 2 log here, okay? 1 log, I think 1 log is okay. Then put your anti-log. I have a reason why I wanted to add 1 more log. Okay. Are we there now? Are we following?
Yes.
Now the next stage now, you can see that this and this are in one line, right? With a times separating it. As I've told you earlier. As it is times here in our log, and according to the law governing logarithm greater than 2, this times in the solving it becomes a plus. Are we there?
Yes.
Because a plus. Now let's start by bringing out all that you see here. First of all, bring out the first line here on this part. Solve. Then you bring down the second one. You solve before you power it with that 3 you're saying there. Are we there? Okay, let's go ahead. We have 0.0041 5. That's the first one, right?
Yes.
Second one is 44.80 Okay, let me ask somebody. In the first one here, what should be my characteristics? If you know, please raise your hand. I see raise your
No
hand.
correction.
By 3. Thank you. Why is it by 3? Because of the 3 zeros. Are we there now? Okay. Please, like you were not here in the last class, right? I said when you see zeros at the front of any given number, okay, count the zeros. How many are there? If it's just 1 before the point, your characteristic becomes about 1. Are we there now? 1, 2, 3 because by 3 before the real number. Are we there now? Thank you. Now by 3. Put your point here. In this part now, watch my characteristics here.
1.
1. Why is it 1?
Because you are moving the point.
Okay, from here to this number, right? Beautiful. This number 1 is 1. Thank you. Are we following now?
Yes.
This one is because of what? The 3 zeros. Why this one is because of what? This point here is coming in between what? The first and the second number from the what? Left. Are we there now?
Yes.
Okay. Now can someone help me out and find out the what? Logarithm for the first one. Are we there now? Okay. Let's together look for what? The first logarithm. Are we following now? What you need to do here is this. Look at the question very well. We have 415, right? What you do is this. You what looked at what? 41 under 5 from the what? Logarithm what? Table. Are we following now? Now this 41, right? You now trace what? 5, which will have what? 6180 what? 0. Are we following now? That's the first one. What's the answer? 6 what?
6 1.
1 8 what? 0. Are we there now? That's for the what? The first one. Let's now move to what? The second one. You combine them 44 under what? 8, difference of what? 9. Are we there now? Let's check again. Okay. Let's go to what? 44. These are 44, right? Under 8, right? You move to what? 8, which is what? 6513. Difference of what? 9 is what? 9. Are we there now? So you now add up these two things together to get your what? Logarithm. What's the answer there? Please give me. What's the answer to it? 44 under 8, which we just checked now. Let's add it up. 6 5 1 3. 1 what? 3 plus 9, right? We now have what? 2 5 and what? 6. Are we there? 6 5 2 2. And I've said earlier, I said when you see times, what will you do? You add up, right?
Yes.
Okay, put a plus and leave it there now. See now? You cross it. 0 plus 2. 8 plus 2. Right? 0 carry what? 1 plus 5. Plus 1. 6 plus 6. 12, right? Right 2 carry what? If I add 1 on this one, it becomes what?
4.
It's not 4, please. You are owing 3 naira, you are paying 1 naira. What we left? 2. Bar what? 2. Are we there now? Point what? Bar 2. Are you ready now?
Yeah.
This is minus 2. And you are bringing 1 to come and add to this now. And it's a minus. And you are bringing a real 1 to come and what? Add to what? Minus. That real 1 will now subtract what? A 1 from what? The initial. Are we together now? Are we there? Now we are done with the first one now. Okay, that's why I said we need what? 2 log. Okay? 2 log. Put a log here too, okay? Transfer it to what? To this place. Hello? Transfer it to what? To this place now. Are we following now? We now have what? Bar 2 point what? 270 what? 2. Are we there now? Okay. Now you now come down to what? The next stage. Are we following now? Next stage now because what? Any question?
Yeah.
What's your question, please?
That's but you see that if you remove one, no, yeah. If you remove one, it remains 2.
Yes.
Then what of that one under?
Oh, thank you. That's beautiful. Thank you very much. Okay. Thank you. Please. I don't have foresight, okay? So thank you for that observation. Now we're having what? We're having what? A bar 2 here now left, right?
Yes.
Right? Now bar 2 plus a 1 again. Bar 3. This one is a real 1, and this one is what? A minus 1. And you are plusing a real 1 to what? Minus 1 gives you what? Bar what? 1. I will explain. Now, at first here you are bringing 1 to come and add here, right?
Yes.
Abi?
Yes.
A real 1 to come and what? Add up to what? This 3 now. That now reduce. You're having minus 3 plus what? 1. What should be the answer? I'm owing 3 naira and I have 1 naira to pay. I won't be left that I need to pay left. Minus 2, right?
Yeah.
Now that's okay. I should plus another what? 1 naira again plus what? 1 naira again.
Minus 1.
Minus what? 1. Do you not understand?
Yeah.
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay, beautiful. By what? 1, right?
Yeah.
Are we ready now? Thank you for that observation. If not, at the end of the mass now we'll start asking, where is the problem coming from? Thank God that the problem has been seen from the word beginning. Okay. Now we'll now move to what? Stage what? 2. Hello.
I.
We'll now move to what? Stage what? 2. That's this other one here. Because everything are what? In law. We must follow all the law governing what? The mass itself. Are we following now?
Yes.
Let's move. Let's go down. We have what? 15. Point what? 50 what? 8. Are we there? The next one is what? 0 point what? 70 what? 8. Are we following now? Are we together?
Yes.
Now, what should be my character? Not you, my friend. What should be your character here now? You.
Me.
Yes. The first one.
1.
Why is it 1?
Because it's moving from
Okay, beautiful. Because what? It's moving what? From here to what? In between these two numbers from the left, right? We have what? 1 as what? Characteristics. Are you following now? You, my dear. What should be the one here? By what? 1. Because of what? 0 at the beginning, please. Okay? Before the point, okay? By what? 1. Please don't be scared, okay? Don't be scared. It's a simple mass. Are we together now?
Yes.
Okay. Someone please help me to determine or to get the what? The logarithm for the first one. 15 under 5, difference of what? 8. Please mind you, in your log table, you have all this in there. Your log starts from what? 10 to what? 99.
1903.
1903. Okay, next.
22 the difference.
Difference 22. Wow, 22 difference. We now have what? 5291. 195 what? 2. Are we there? No. 192 what? 5. Next one, 78 under 0. The next one, 78 under 0.
891.
Please mind you, we have anti-log and we have logarithm of number. I hope what you are giving to me is from the log.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what should be the listen?
8921.
892 what? 1. As I've told you earlier, when you see a times separating two mass together, two numbers together, what do we do?
divide.
We plus.
Plus.
Okay, this is a plus. Okay, times is what? A plus. Plus, right? Cross it now. 5 plus 1,
6.
2 plus 2, 9 plus 9,
18.
right? 8 carry what? 1 plus 8 plus 1,
10.
right? 0 carry what? Add the 1 here because what?
2.
Read 2, right? 2 minus 1.
1.
1, right? Are you ready now? Are we together? It's a 2 here, right? Plus minus what? 1 gives us what? 1, right? Now you close it here. Are you there now? Move it down toward this other page, okay? We now have what? 1 point what? 0 8 4 what? 6. Are we there now? What does this thing signifies?
Division.
Division, what does it signifies in the law? Minus, right? You have to what? Minus it from here, right? Are we there now? See how the laws are just going one by one. 2 minus 6. Is it possible?
No.
Borrow 1 from what? 7, right? Add to what? This one, right? This one's 10, right? Borrow 1 from here, add here, because of what? 12, right? 12 minus 6. 6, right?
Yes.
What's left here now?
0.
9 minus 4. 5, right? What's left here now? 6, right? Borrow 1 here, right? Add here, gives us what? 16, right? 16 from 6. 8, right? Are we?
60 plus 8 from
Yes.
6,
8.
8, right? 16 minus 8. 8, right?
Yes.
1 minus 0.
1.
1, right? Okay. Minus 1 minus 1.
0.
Eh?
1
Minus 1.
Please, let's look at it very well.
0.
is 1.
So, minus 2.